My people are here now. Una welcome to Fashion and Art Academy, the place where I go learn the skills where you could take empower yourself for life. This time, we won't go another level. In fact, we won't carry our aeroplane, can't go another level for the sky. I know say you now don't already practice, now don't do plenty work. This time around, I will take plenty patience do this work. No worry, it dey easy as I always talk. Just make sure say una practice. Today, we won't learn about 8-piece fish skirt with triangular flares. Yes, 8-piece fish skirt. And I know say I don't do 6-piece. So this one go there like revision. So now 8-piece fish skirt we want to do. Then we go the board, go see how it look like. So when we look the board, this now how the skirt go look like. When I say we don't add something to them. This one are the triangular flares we go there inside. I will show you how you go do that one. But as for the 8-piece fish skirt, remember I said when we do our 6-piece, now 3 pieces there for front. This time, now 4 pieces go there for front, 4 pieces go there for back. This now how it look like. Maybe look the pattern. The pattern we will go use, as soon as see them from the name, we go divide our measurement into 8. So because we divide them into 8, now the same way we go still do our pattern from waist to hip to break. Can't put the flare with that. Maybe we can't look the measurements we will go use make our skirt. This now the measurements we will go use make our 8-piece fish skirt. When we come begin to write the measurement down. The measurement we will go use for the waist now 26 inches. The hips we will go use now 36 inches. The waist to hip still now 8 inches we go use. The waist to break we will go use now 15 inches. The break width we will go use now 32. We go come out 4 from inside our hip. Can't use 32. The skirt length we want use now 25 inches. The flare width we want use, that one we go use 7 inches. Now we're going to talk about the triangular flare. Now it be the one where we go take use combine them. If I get another material, when we want use combine them, now we can't use like that. Triangular flare we go use, the length go be, we will come out our break, our waist to break, we will come out them from this our skirt length. We go see say, if I come out 15 from 25, now 10 inches in go remain. So now 10 inches go there. The width, we go make them 7 inches. So now the measurements could be. Maybe we can begin to divide our measurements. You go come start with our waist. Our waist now 26. If we take them, break them down into 8, you see where we go get now 3 1/4. So we go divide our hips into 8. We can get 4 1/2. Our waist to hips, we go leave them like that. The waist to break, we go leave them like that. The break width, we can also divide that one, break them down into 8. It go give us 4 inches. The skirt length, because say we go take weaving machine, weave them for down. We go just add 1/2 inch for the top, we go use turn am for inside, and 1/2 inch thing weave them for down. So that one will come give us +1 will give us 26. The flare width we will want use now 7 inches. We go add seam allowance for on top and for one side, for the other side. So we go add 1 inch, it will give us 8. Maybe we can't do the triangular flares. Now 10 inches we want use, but we go put seam allowance for on top, we go put seam allowance for down. That means we go add 1 inch, it can give us 11. The flare width now 7 inches. We can add our seam allowance 1/2 inch for the 2 sides. That will give us 8. So we will come begin to do our pattern now. We go take our paper. As we do it for 6 pieces, we go fold our paper into 2. Come begin to measure them. So we don't fold our paper now. We'll come begin to measure. The first measurement where we go put now 3 1/4. But you know say, as we don't already put them here, we just divide them into 8. We go still divide them again into 2. Come add our seam allowance. So if I divide them again into 2, it will give me 1/5/8. As na say am so, na so im be. I will come add extra ½ inch, come join am. That one could come give me 218. That one na the measurement wey we go put for waist. Then the one wey go dey for hips, we go divide am into 2. That one na 2¼ im be. I come add ½ inch seam allowance, come join am, come give me 2¾ The break width wey dey here, now we go divide am again into 2. That one go give us 2. Come add ½ inch, join am, come give us 2½. So I go first put my 218 on top here. This place na my waist, na 218 go dey there. I'll come measure down for 8 inches. Come put my hip there. My hip where I go put na 2¾ go dey there. This one na 2¾ I will just use ruler draw am down because say the difference no dey too much. Now only ½ inch be the difference. We fit use am like that. Right. Come measure my waist to break. My waist to break where I wan use na waist to break where na dey now. Okay, waist to break na 15 inches. I'll come measure am down. Now 15 inches I go put here. From top that measurement of my waist to break, now this 2½ I'll come put there will be my measurement for my break width. I go just take and go like that. Now ruler I go use. This one now 2½. After that, we come measure our length. Our length we want use now 26. So I will come just measure like that. This is now 26. Now, from here to here now 26 inches. But I want to know this distance between here and here. If I look am well, I comot 15 from 26. Now 11 I go get. So I go just take that same. Before I go just write them there. Now 11 I go put here. Now it be the measurement we dey from here. Go here like this. I'll come put my flare width. My flare width now 8 inches I won't use. But I will just divide them into 2. You know, say I don't add seam allowance. That one will give me 4 because I don't already add seam allowance. I'll come measure 4 like this. Come put for here. Come take my ruler. Come connect them down. After I don't measure that one, since I don't already measure the space where they between 15 and 26, I know say na 11. I go come measure that same measurement. Come put for the second side here. Now here it go be. I'll come cover, go the down. So this one now the measurement of our skirt. Now I can show now how we go take do the measurement of our triangular flares.